At the time that we published this paper, then nanopore sequencing was a new, exciting field, and it still is, but people didn't know a lot about it. So what we wanted to do was to do this benchmarking study to see what can this data do and how can it be used. And then everyone was excited about all the applications you could do to it, but you're not able to do this. You're not able to design studies, design algorithms that are tailored to play to the strengths of this data without fully understanding what you're going to get and how, in terms of throughput and quality. So we designed this study to use different labs, to perform experiments in different labs, compare all the data together and try and understand where the variability in data quantity and quality is coming from. In a new field, which is changing really rapidly and developing really rapidly, like nanopore sequencing, or in fact any other sequencing technology, it's really important to be able to do a study and get your results out there quickly. So we chose WEF 1000 deliberately because we wanted a rapid turnaround time from publication to when it's being out there, so we don't have to use a preprint server in order to get our results out there. The whole process and all the comments and all the reviews are completely transparent. Everyone can read it. Everyone can see the versions, because it's often a little bit hard to keep track of when things are published in one place and then in another place. So there's clear advantages to that, and I think that's the way things are going to move in the future as well.
You know, I enjoy the open peer review. It makes me think a bit more carefully about the nuance of each of the statements in there, and I think there is a sense that it's one person talking to another person. Obviously, there's the identifiability, but probably makes it more like a conversation and maybe less like a kind of, you know, exercise in grading an essay or, you know, critiquing. So I actually like that. I think it makes you do a better review.
I found it a positive experience, although I was also obviously apprehensive about it because it was new to me. But I feel that as an author, you are under more pressure to make sure that your study is rigorous and thorough and comprehensive, and that you've done a really good job of it as well as you can. And then with the reviewers, then I think they are encouraged to be fair, which is what you really want in a reviewer. They're not going to pick faults where there aren't really any, and they're going to be fair to you. And I think that's a good thing for science.